Hey guys, I got these old foggy lights here. I'm going to use a 3M headlight restoration kit and see if I can't brighten these babies up. But it's gotten so bad that it's getting hard to see at night. So you can see how foggy they are. So I'm going to go ahead and polish them up with this thing. But the first thing I'm going to do, even though there's chips in the hood and stuff like that, I don't want to make any of that any worse. And so I'm going to go ahead and mask everything off and then open the hood. All right, got it all taped off. Right, well, here's the kit that I'm going to use. And the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and just squirt this off with Windex, or any standard kind of window cleaner. Go ahead and open this up. All right, yeah, this is the kit that comes with your, you put this on your cordless drill. There's what you get with the whole kit. First step is to go ahead and attach this to here, and then we'll place one of these gold sanding discs on that. I got the gold sanding disc here now, so all I'm gonna do is I'm not really gonna put a whole lot of pressure on this. I'm gonna kind of just let the weight of everything, that'll be enough pressure, because you don't want to gouge the thing. You want it to be nice, even too. So I'm gonna do kind of like some broad, longer strokes here. Kind of holding it at an angle a little bit. I'm not holding it flat on there, just a little angle. But not too hard, because I don't want to gouge it. Okay, now we'll go ahead and wipe that off. Put some water on a paper towel and wipe it off that way. Just getting all the dust off of there. Yeah, you can see there's yellowing on there, that yellow dust, and that's what happens with these things when you get old. And that's kind of what you're removing when you're sanding it, is that yellow film. All right, next step is to take that one off and put this on. All right, we're just gonna repeat the process with this baby. Okay, I'm gonna take this baby off of here. We're gonna attach this one called like Trizact. One thing I forgot to mention, you just put enough water on this sanding disc here, on this green-gray one, that just to moisten it a little bit. And then I just want to do a little even pressure on that, so a little bit of water on there. And if it dries out, you squirt a little bit more water on there. One thing you'll notice on here is I'll just go like this. I'm gonna do this one again. Is a white slurry, and they say that after you start seeing this white slurry on here, do an additional 10 to 12 passes. You didn't hear that, an additional 10 to 12 passes after you see this white slurry on here. Okay, now it's time to put the compound on there. So we'll take this one off. Put this baby on there. They say to put a dime size amount right there. All right. They recommend a rub it all along here so you don't get any spatter. Just kind of rubbing it in all over that. Go to town on it. Yeah, the clarity is really coming through on this now. You can see it. See all those fine scratches and yellow film going away? All right, now they say to wipe all that off with a microfiber cloth, which I don't have. So I'm just taking a regular paper towel. New one, old one. You can really tell it's like almost crystal clear. That one. Here's the old one. Oh, I'm very happy with this. You will be too. If you do this, you'll be happy too. So this right side, yeah, it's buffed out just like